Welcome to one more video of Bank Nifty daily analysis. Okay, now before we see nothing we need to do. So we draw a trend line yesterday. It opened flat. The flat boring day. Only time decay benefit. What we need to do? So here the gap it didn't try to it. So here it is. Here we need to remove this and we need to draw a line here, right? And this is the resistance. So bank nifty resistance falls around 48,300. This is from today, correct? Nothing more than that. Anything pending here? It was trying to take a support. So we can do here we can draw a line of support. It was trying to say take a support here. So let's see whether it holds back the support. So 47 800 to 300, so 500 points support it is trying to make. That's it, I think. Yeah, that's it. This here we can draw a resistance, but that will be too thin. It's only 200 points, so we can track that. Here it will bounce back. Duff which is minus 67. Oil is okay, and this is our okay prices. Okay, guys, then let's catch up for another video tomorrow. Thanks, take care, bye.